Hi and welcome to freedrumlessononline.com. I'm Barry Birmingham and we're still doing some rudiments, but now we're coming towards a stretch towards the end. Right now we're at Swiss Army triplets. And I don't know if you can play triplets, which are this. Instead of playing the accent, we're going to play the flam, and we're not going to alternate. So it's going to be flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, just like that. So you play it with me. Here we go. Flam right left, flam right left, flam right left, just like that. Okay, now we pick up the tempo. Here we go. So there you have it, Swiss Army triplets. So good luck with that, and I will see you next time. I'm Barry Birmingham for freedrumlessonsonline.com. Take care. Bye.